everybody. Happy Sunday, November 1st. My name is Chad. My wife is Erin. We got a wild hair up our butt and decided to do maybe a daily vlog. Not sure yet. We'll see how this works. But we might be taking the camera around with us and filming stuff every day. Maybe every 2 days. Could be every other weekend. I'm not sure yet. Just give you a peek into our life. We'll be asking you questions, and you can ask us questions back in the comments. It's just a unique way to see somebody else's life, and maybe you can learn something from us. We can learn something from you. So, start off, give you a tour of our house. Start off, and I'll show you the family room of our house. As you can see, it's got some sports memorabilia in it. I'm a big Chicago Cubs fan. Got an actual verified piece of Wrigley Field in my house. Here's the piece of the field. And then obviously World Series stuff from 2016, because that was the year we won the World Series. Great times. Got my Cubs win picture up here. And my Cubs banner here. Also another World Series banner that was made personally for me by one of my friends. We got some cool stuff up here as well. This is a seashell that I got. It's huge. You can see it's about the size of my hand, even longer. It's a lightning whelk that I found in Siesta Key. And then we've got another prized possession here. We like to travel, so we've been collecting sand from different places we've gone. So there's Siesta Key, Waimea in Hawaii, Vero Beach, and Marco Island. I imagine we'll add to that. Now I'll introduce you to the other person that you'll be seeing a lot of. This is Erin. You'll get a lot from her. She's much more enthusiastic and more talkative than I am. Get an earful from her. I'll take you out in the garage and show you something cool that I like to show people on the cars. On the car. But this little sign. I got this for my birthday. I think it was my 36. Yeah, 36, because it says right there on the hat. Same friend that made that Cubs sign back for me in the other room made this as well. He's a great artist. It's my friend Luke. Next, you'll get to see our kitchen. It's a pretty small kitchen, but it's where we do all of our cooking. My wife does all the cooking. She's an amazing cook. And then you'll see a lot of these guys in the near future. These are the Gremlins as part of our page. Married with Gremlins. This is my youngest. She got a toy at Target today, so she's trying to figure it out. That's Sophia. The shy one is Colton. He went upstairs. Just bedrooms up there. You don't get to see what's up there. So yeah, I'll take you with me the rest of the night. We'll see what happens. This is November 1st, so it's the day after Halloween. It was also daylight savings time, so it's, well, see for yourself. It's 4:47 and it's sunset outside. I hate daylight savings time. I cannot stand when it gets dark again. It just makes for a longer winter when it gets dark, and it makes the seasonal affectional disorder start to get ramping up. Anybody else experience that around here? I know I have for quite a while. I'm sure it's pretty common. So, let me know.
So, Chad and I went to, where did we go?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. But where did we, and we stayed on the island of Oahu. And one of the local comfort foods that they make is something that's called Loco Moco. And we are big food people. And so I looked up a recipe on how to make Loco Moco. And so now we make it a couple times because I honestly feel, why go out to a restaurant if you could just make something really good at home? So, I'm making loco moco, which is a white rice, a macaroni salad, a hamburger. Then you take an egg and you cook it over easy. You cover in brown gravy, which all sounds really gross together, but it's actually really, really good. But it's a Hawaiian comfort food, and so we put it on our rotating list of dinners, and it's really good.
This is the start of it. Step 2, fry up some eggs. Third step, make some gravy. Fourth step, what are you making?
Making rice in my Instant Pot that I got for Christmas, and I thought was a really dumb gift. But when our stove broke and our oven broke, and then Corona happened, and we couldn't get a stove or an oven for 6 months, I quite learned to love my Instant Pot and all of the deliciousness that it does. Because, yeah, when you have no stove and oven, it is quite difficult to cook. But I love making things in my Instant Pot now. So, especially white rice. It comes out, like, ridiculously delicious.
Add that burger. Get that egg. You add that macaroni salad on it too. It doesn't seem like it should be a good combination, but it really is. If you've been to Hawaii and had loco moco, you know what this is. Next, you're gonna throw that gravy on top of there, and it's gonna be glorious.
It's gotta thicken up a little bit. You gotta add a little flour.
Can't wait to dig into that. There's our finished project.
Loco moco.
What do you think, babe? What do you think?
Good.
A plus.
Yep.
Now for some Mandalorian. Awesome first episode of season 2, episode 1 of The Mandalorian. This is our Sunday night tradition, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Join us.